Welcome to Temple Lifts, a Hitachi Group company. This short video demonstrates the quality of the Hitachi ON1 machine roomless lift product and the installation skills of Temple Lifts engineers. The installation, commissioning and filming of this video was undertaken during lockdown following strict social distancing requirements. Situated in London's exclusive district of Mayfair, the Mayfair Townhouse is a redesigned and new luxury boutique 172-room, 5-storey plus basement, Grade 2 listed hotel in Half Moon Street, W1. The following sequences demonstrate ride quality from take-off at the ground floor to arrival at the top floor landing and demonstrates in-car ambient noise levels.
Going up. Doors are closing. Please keep clear. Fifth floor. Going up. Doors are closing. Please keep clear. Fifth floor.
The following sequences demonstrate the ambient noise levels experienced at this installation when the lift is running at normal speeds in both the up and down directions. Stylish, brushed stainless steel recessed service control panels situated remotely at the top floor level. Thank you for viewing this video.